Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to fix not being able to download apps on Android. Downloading issues on Android can come from several causes, such as network problems, storage limits, or account errors. Most of the time, the issue can be fixed with a few simple checks. The steps below guide you through the most effective solutions. To begin, restart your Android device to clear temporary system glitches. Then check if you have a stable internet connection, Wi-Fi or mobile data. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test connectivity. Then make sure airplane mode is turned off. Now open the Google Play Store and check if it is working properly. Clear the cache of the Google Play Store via Settings, Apps, All Apps, Play Store, Storage, then tap the Clear Cache. Also, clear the data of the Google Play Store if clearing cache doesn't work. Repeat the same process for Google Play services, then check available storage space and free up memory if it is full. Make sure date and time settings are set to automatic. Sign out and then sign back into your Google account. Check if there are pending system updates for your device. Disable VPN or proxy if you are using one, as it may block downloads. Finally, reset app preferences or perform a network settings reset if the issue continues. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.